Finding the value of the middlemost term can be done only when you know the number of terms. Because my sequence has started from A, my first term is minus 11, my last term is given to me as 49. Now, I really need to know the common difference. What's the difference here? Difference can be found out by subtracting the first term from the second term. I get minus 7 minus of minus 11, which is 4. Okay, now I know if certain term is 49, then my first term plus n minus 1 times the difference has to be 49. Plug in the values. Minus 11 plus n minus 1 times 4 has to be 49. Simplify. We need the value of n because we need to know how many total terms do we have. Minus 11 minus 4 plus 4n has to be equal to 49. You can simplify. Minus 11 minus 4 goes to the other side, becomes positive 15. So 49 plus 15. N equals to 64 divided by 4, which is 16. So I see that there are 16 terms in this sequence. If I know there are 16 terms, then the middlemost terms will be, if I have even number of terms, then my middle terms will be 2. I have 2 middle terms here, giving me the 8th term is my middle term, and my 9th term will be the middle term. So to find their values, I just have to plug in a plus 7d, a plus 8d. I know the values here. A is minus 11 plus 7 times 4, minus 11 plus 8 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28, 8 times 4 is 32. The answer is 17 and 21.